When he flew, he flew and he flew and he flew, and went to the nearby jungle where he spotted a deer with a sharp horn and called out to it.
My friend, oh dear, this is Kaka. Here, your horn may I take to dig some mud for the potter to make a cup for me to fill with water to wash my dirty bill. So I can eat the eggs and loudly call to let everyone hear me and know that I am the most handsome crow.
Oh, you clever crow! How can you take my horns while I'm still alive?
So Kaka was terribly hungry. When he flew and he flew, he flew and he flew and he flew around in a flurry till he came across a pair of dogs.
Oh dear, this is Kaka. Wait, this is Kaka here. I need your help, I fear, to kill the deer whose horn I shall take to dig some mud with the potter to make a cup for me to fill with water to wash my dirty bill. So I can eat the eggs and loudly call to let everyone hear me and know that I am the most handsome crow.
Kaka, that is a lot of work in this heat. We need to be strong to kill the deer. Go get some milk for us to drink. Then we will drink the milk and help you kill the deer.
Kaka, wa- Kaka went to get some milk back to the village. When he flew and he flew, he flew and he flew and he flew, and went to a buffalo munching on some straws.
Buffalo dear, this is Kaka here. Could I take your milk to the dogs to feed, whose help I need to kill the deer, whose horn I shall take to dig some mud, with the potter to make a cup for me to fill with water to wash my dirty bill. So I can eat the eggs and loudly call to let everyone hear me and know that I am the most handsome crow.
I could get some lovely juicy grass to eat instead of this dry hay, I would certainly give you milk.
So now, who do you think the Kaka would go to go? Put it down in the chat. Oh, I can't see anyone writing anything. So let me tell you. Kaka went to get some grass. So when he flew, when he flew, he flew, when he flew, when he flew, and went to the grassy field around and said to it,
Oh, grass dear, this is Kaka. Here, please come with me, for the buffalo is hungry and I need her milk for the dogs to feed, whose help I need to kill the deer, whose horn I shall take to dig some mud, for the potter to make a cup for me to fill with water to wash my dirty bill, so I can eat the eggs and loudly call to let everyone hear me and know that I am the most handsome crow.
Oh, Kaka dear, I am so heavy and you can't carry me with your small beak. So you do one thing, get a sickle and carry me.
Kaka wanted to get a sickle. So what did he do? When he flew, when he flew as quickly as possible and went to the blacksmith and said to him,
Blacksmith dear, this is Kaka here. Give me a sickle to give the grass a pickle. I will take her with me, for the buffalo is hungry, and I need her milk, whose help I need to kill the deer, whose horn I shall take to dig some mud, for the potter to make a cup for me to fill with water to wash my dirty bill, so I can eat the eggs and loudly call to let everyone hear me and know that I am the most handsome crow.
this blacksmith, like all the others, wanted to save Muni's eggs. Looking up, he said,
Kaka, I'll help you, but I need a small help from you. Take this iron piece and go back of my house, open the furnace door and drop this in that. Please.
Kaka was very excited and in a hurry. He quickly flung open the furnace door. As he did, a sudden gust of wind made him fall backwards on the coal, burning his tail. Poor Kaka!
ओहो मेरा पूंजा सदिया ओहो मेरा पूंजा सदिया ओहो
Since Kaka always wanted to look his very best, he could not bear himself with a burnt tail. So when he flew, when he flew, he flew, and he flew, and he flew, flew, and he flew, and he flew, and was never to be seen again in Punjab.
So, this is the story about Kaka and Munni. Now, I want to ask some questions. Where did Kaka flew? You can guess and type it in chat box. I can't see any answers. Okay, away from Punjab. Far, far away from Punjab. Flew to Gurgaon. So, I don't know where he flew, but we can guess. So, we hope you all enjoyed the story. Thank you.
All right, we can turn on our videos. Thank you, children. It was a wonderful performance. The first performance is never very easy, but you guys did a good job. Thank you so much. It was wonderful watching you. So parents, it's now your time to give us some feedback.
Hi, Parvez here. Thank you so much. I think this was really, really wonderful. Very well done by all the children. And thanks to you, Nupur, as well. Yes, really great show.
Thank you, Parvez.
Hi, I'm Sonal here.
Hi,
And I
Sonal.
would like to sincerely thank, first of all, kudos to the entire team and for the children for putting up such a good effort. Great show. And I would really say that it was, very intrinsic to them. The way Siddhant was so excited for every session and even the application part. So I can see him applying it in his classroom as well. So whenever he's reading or doing something, that modulation, voice modulation, everything is, it's become a part of him. So really appreciate the efforts, and it was a great, great show.
But hats off to you first, the way you kept everybody motivated, and brought the excitement that was there for you. I think I really, appreciate your excitement and your enthusiasm for bringing this kids, I think, all over India. One of the best things, I'm sitting at Noida, other children are sitting at different parts of the country, and they could all get together, and that was a very nice thing. I'm very sad, I think, that's ending, because for me it was a big risk, it was a big respite on a Saturday, Sunday when they're engaged.
I'm Sahana's dad. I'm very happy for what she's doing.
Thank you.
And confidence has improved, and a way of expressing thoughts has improved. And she's really enjoying. I'm happy with her confidence now. She's able to speak with me, everyone with some expressions, and she's able to communicate properly.
No, she's been very enthusiastic about the whole course. I'm so happy that it converted into good learning for her. Thank you so much.
She's excited to attend your program.
And I think one of the first things that comes to my mind is the amazing performance each of the children has done. And thank you very much, Nupur ma'am, for that. This has been a great journey for Anura, as we have seen. We've seen her. So she is one of those kids who don't really would go out and talk with everyone on their own. But when given a chance, they would try to do their best. And you have taken out the best in her. And that was really, really nice. And thanks to you for that. One of the things that we were discussing, to request you, and which I think you have already covered, is that, such kind of a skill has to be practiced as much as possible. And the more you practice, the more you get better at it. And the way you mentioned that, okay, you could do a refresher in Jan and then in summer vacation. I mean, even if within this group or as a group or in whatever setting, if we can have, more and more exposure to these kids, for Anura, we would be more than happy to, get her enrolled in wherever required.
Yeah, sure. Anura came in as a very soft and gentle child who was barely audible, and how she has pushed herself all along, not taking it so positively. Even if I would tell Anura, throw your voice, repeat it, do it again, she was at it. She never felt that, why am I constantly after her, asking her to rehearse more and do more? She always took the feedback and she did her best. And today I think she enacted really well. The buffalo character, I told Anura, I've especially given you the buffalo character because you are really small, very gentle, and the buffaloes are supposed to be big and huge. So I said, I want you to bring that transformation. I want you to become that buffalo. And I think she did it very well. Great job, Anura.
Yeah, I would also like to add, yeah, ma'am, this was a wonderful performance by all the kids. Really enjoyed it, and hats off to you again, and congratulations on this successful performance, being it a online one, because it's very difficult to bring everyone together online. I saw you getting children rehearse their parts, and it was so difficult, like who will come first, and then but
the kids helped me a lot with the technology, because I'm not bad at it, but in front of, I think they're so fast that I would offload some of my work, that you guys figure this out. And they did that for me. Yeah.
And definitely, and now we can see actually a storyteller is coming out in Anura, and to let you know that she is actually creating her own stories now.
Wow.
And enacting, like yesterday she made up a story and then she enacted, and she involved all our family members, and we were so happy to see the transformation in her.
Great job,
thank you so much.
Great job. So good to hear that. Yeah. Maitri, are your parents here too?
Yes.
Yes.
Hello.
Yes. Yes, this is. Sorry.
No problem.
Yes.
Yeah,
this is Krishna.
Hello.
This is a wonderful job. This is keeping them children in sync is very difficult, but you did it. It is a great job. It is very helpful in future in communication too.
Great. Thanks.
All right. Thank you so much for joining. It was wonderful, children. I'm going to miss you all, and I'm going to see you again in January. Okay. Take care, everybody.